Good afternoon. My name is Oscar Dario Muñoz Enriquez. I live in Pasto Nariño. I am enrolled in the Industrial Engineering program. I'm studying in the UNAD University. This is the step number two of task four. I'm going to present a recipe. The recipe is salad with lettuce and fruit. Ingredients: 200 grams of milk cream, grapes, apple, strawberries, handle, lettuce, and cheese. This is the preparation. First, chop all the fruits that we are going to use in our lettuce and fruit salad. Two, we add all the fruit in a container and add the milk cream. Three, we stir very well so that the cream is well dissolved throughout the fruit. Four, we add cheese cut into cubes. And five, we add sprigs of lettuce and decorate the plate to be served with it. This is a very simple and healthy dish. Thank you so much.